Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and this week on Scratch That we are featuring 3-ingredient air fried chicken wings. Let's go. We are making chicken wings in the air fryer, and I use this rub. It's called chicken and rib seasoning, and this is my favorite rub. A lot of people, when they make chicken wings, they make their dry rub from scratch, but if you're busy and you're on the go, you really don't have the time to sit and combine like 20 different spices to get the perfect rub. So this is a 3-ingredient chicken recipe, and it's so delicious. So let's get into it. Here are the chicken wings. I have already washed them and dried them and placed them into my bowl. And I'm going to use 1/3 cup of the chicken and rib seasoning, and I just kind of sprinkle it right on top of the chicken wings. And then the next spice that I use is my fave, paprika. And I am going to use a 1/2 tablespoon of paprika and just kind of sprinkle that over the top of the chicken. And the third spice that I use, gotta have the spice. It's Cajun style all-purpose seasoning, Louisiana classic. And I'm gonna use 1 teaspoon of that. Now, if you like your wings spicy, go for it, but 1 teaspoon is enough for me. So then, once you have all your spices in there, you just kind of want to give it a toss. Because they're all coated, they should look something like this. Once you have those, make sure you just toss them around, and that make sure that each wing gets all of that spice. And you just want to place them in your air fryer. Try not to overcrowd your air fryer because you want to make sure that each wing cooks evenly. So once you have them in the air fryer, you want to just put them back in and put it on 360 degrees for 20 minutes. So once these have cooked for about 10 minutes, you just want to pull them out and flip them over. This stuff is optional, but I like to do it because it makes my wings a lot more crispy when they're done. They are done. Yes, wings. Let's get these plated up. Okay, so here is the finished product. I added a little bit of parsley for that razzle dazzle. You guys, these are so delicious. Wow, you guys, these are so good. Make sure you try out this recipe, and thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. I'm gonna enjoy this wing, and I'll see you next time.